Adding products to your store. Now we will get into the meat of your e-commerce store and start adding products. Here I will show you how to add products, descriptions, pictures, and give your store a crisp, clean selling environment. To get to our products, we're going to go to Products and then click on Products. Now this is where all of your products will display after you add them to your store. As you can see, we don't have any products added to our store yet, so let's go ahead and add one. Go ahead and click Add Product. When you first log in to add a new product for the first time, you'll notice there's a lot of extra fields here, such as WordPress SEO, custom fields, slug, product short description, fusion options. Right now, we're going to clean a couple of these up to make it easier for us and less distracting. To do this, we can uncheck the options we choose not to see. So right now, we're not going to use the SEO, Revolution Slider, Slug, and custom fields. And this should be cleaned up. And then we can also organize these boxes how you prefer. So I actually like product short description under the main description, and then we can leave the product data and fusion options there right now. Let's get started with adding our product. As you can see right here, this top bar is actually going to be your product name that will be displayed on the front end. So right now, let's go ahead and add a product name to here. And then this box followed below that is actually going to be your main description of the product. For this first product, this will be defined as a simple product. I'll explain that in a minute. But first, let's enter our main description of this product. Clean this up a little bit. And then for the product short description, this is going to display right under the title. As the word explains it, it is a product short description. You can also leave this blank if you prefer not to add anything right now. And we will also go ahead and minimize this window to get this out of the way. The next box you'll see here is called Product Data. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a simple product, which means it's a standalone product. A group product can be an item that is grouped with another or can be purchased individually. An external affiliate product, which is a product that is advertised on your website but can be purchased elsewhere. And finally, we see a variable product. This is an item that has different variations such as size, color, or a custom attribute for your item. I will explain adding these in an upcoming video. For right now, let's continue with the simple product. The SKU is going to be your internal data, so let's say it's your inventory number or your barcode number for this item. For right now, we're going to enter in some generic text. And then as we see below, we have our regular price. We're going to make this $19.95. And then following this is our sale price. We can actually schedule this sale price automatically. So let's say that we wanted to have this item on sale over the weekend. Well, we can just add in our box right here from the 20th to the 22nd, and then we would put our sales price right there. The next tab on our product data is actually inventory. This allows you to manage stock of the inventory and label the stock as in stock or out of stock on the front end. In this little sold individually box, this will enable you to sell this item only by itself in one single order. Following inventory, we have shipping. This allows you to select the weight, dimensions. It also has the option to select a shipping class. As you know, we don't have any shipping classes set up right now. We will set these up later because the rates will vary depending on what products you sell. For right now, the store is actually set on free shipping. Next, we have linked products. As you see right here, upsells and cross-sells. You might ask, what's the difference between the upsells and the cross-sells? Well, think of upsells as a product that is similar to this t-shirt, but it's more expensive. You would generally want to try to convince the customer to buy the more expensive item with a higher profit margin, rather than the item you're looking at right now. What cross-sells are is they're items like this based on this product. So let's say that you wanted to sell either a warranty or a t-shirt like this that would show up in the customer's shopping cart during checkout. And grouping products, we're going to go over this in an upcoming video. Next, we'll see attributes. Attributes are where you can add your color, size, and even custom options to your product. This we will also save for an upcoming video, But I do want to add one thing right now to this product. Since we will be adding a red polo t-shirt, we're going to go ahead and add an attribute of a color on this item. So that way this will be able to be searched on a filter in the front end. Go ahead and add color, and then we're going to add red. Click Save Attributes. And advanced will be either purchase notes, so let's say you wanted to leave the customer a note on the purchase page, and also the menu order. And finally we see enable reviews. So now that we have our description and our title, let's go ahead and add an image of our product. I have 2 generic images I'll go ahead and I'll add right now. And then we'll go ahead and add this as our main image. And then you see below we can actually add a product gallery image below it. We're going to use the secondary image for this. And then now that our product is just about complete, let's go ahead and hit publish and see how it looks on the front end. If you also wanted to look at this product before you publish it, you can click Preview Changes. This will show you how it looks on the front end. As we see right here, we have our photo on our left with our photo gallery, our title. We didn't enter a product short description, so that's not going to display below this. Our Add to Cart button, our product description, additional information, and reviews. After we added our first product, let's go ahead and move on and add some more additional products. For more e-commerce resources, including guides, tutorials, and walkthroughs, visit actionecommerce.com. That's actionecommerce.com.